Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates.
Hey guys, the National Testing Agency has started registrations for Graduate Pharmacy Aptitude Test, that is GPAT 2020, which is the entrance examination for admission to M.Pharm courses. Eligible candidates who want to appear for GPAT exam to be held on January 28, 2020 have to register online before last date, that is November 30, 2019. So here we are sharing a simplified step-by-step guide for GPAT registration. The steps to registration for GPAT 2020 are as follows. Firstly, candidates need to visit the official website of NTA GPAT 2020 at gpad.nta.nic.in. Now click on the pink strip that reads Fill Online Application Form. The path towards GPAT registration will appear. Now click on New Registration. The next step requires candidates to go through all necessary instructions and requisite. Tick against I have downloaded information bulletin and then click on the blue bar that reads Click here to proceed. Now, candidates need to enter their personal details along with selecting government issued identification type and its identification number, enter contact details, create a password and then click on Submit. Review the details and mark the checklist, agree and finally submit. This marks the end of step 1 of registration. Note down the application number. To proceed further, click on Complete Application Number. Here, candidates need to submit the details of academic qualification, review the details and make final submission and confirm with a yes. This second step is accomplished. Now click on Upload Images. Choose the file for photograph signature and upload. Now comes the payment of fee, which is categorized differently as shown here. Now proceed with payment of GPAT fee by clicking on Pay Examination Fee. Select Online Payment and proceed for payment. Now select the payment gateway and then confirm the details as appear on the screen. Here, candidates need to select the mode of payment, if it is through net banking, credit, debit card, UPI, etc. Now pay the requisite fee and don't forget to download transaction details for future reference. This indicates completion of 4 steps and leftover most important step of selection of examination city. Click on Choose Examination City. Now select the preferred state followed by examination city. Candidates may note that this time exam city can be selected on a first come first served basis. So the status of capacity shall reflect on screen. Now submit. This leads to end of GPAT registration process. Now download the confirmation page. Thank you.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and visit Careers 360 website for more details.